All right, let's take a look at Mockey AI. This is another tool that is a part of the AI Tool Week event at AppSumo. This is a software that will allow you to create and edit 2D, 3D, and video mockups using thousands of templates. Remember, the price is actually increasing in 26 hours, so the price will be going up. If you're seeing this video, hopefully it's in time and you'll be able to go and pick this up for the lowest price that it's going to be on AppSumo. This is an alternative to Adobe Photoshop, Canva. It's got integrations, Figma, Google Play Store, OpenAI, Shopify, best for content creators, e-commerce, and freelancers, and so forth. We're going to come down here and just look at the pricing real quick. Okay, so this starts at license tier 1 is $99. You get 570 one-time use credits. So this is not a reoccurring where you get your credits renew every month. This is a one-time. This is very photo heavy, AI heavy. So when you see these types of deals now going forward, most of the time they're not going to be these unlimited packages or where they reoccur, the credits reoccur every month. That is part of what the problem was with these software companies having to shut down. So I'm actually a fan of this, where you can completely front load your account with a ton of credits, and then you can continue to a la carte buy credits if you need them. So you pick the plan that's right for you. Starts at $99. License tier 2, $149. License tier 3, $349. License tier 4, $579. And then license tier 5 all in is $879. You get 6,325 AI credits right there. I want to go back over here and just kind of scroll down. You do get, it looks like you get access to pretty much everything right here. I do like to see if there's any, account management, anything like that. I'm not really seeing that. If you can add people to help manage your account or anything like that. So it doesn't say, it's not listed there. Maybe we can see that in the back end when we're in the software taking a look at it. So here's the founder right over here. It's been around since January 2023. So it's been around for 3 years, based out of India, still a small team, startup, bootstrapped, and that's about it. Still waiting on the first reviews to come in right here. Do like to go over here to the home page and just take a look right here at their home page. And I like to see, do they have any traffic? Oh goodness. They've got 418,000 people going to their site every month. So that's just, for me, that's a really big marker and indicator. It's actually one of the most powerful indicators, in my opinion, of, where the site's at, where the business is at, how established the business already is. So 400,000, that's one of the highest that you'll see for an app coming to AppSumo. So I would feel good about this. Been around for 3 years, has almost 500,000 visitors going to their site per month. This is probably a pretty solid tool. We're going to go in here. I went to Canva and just picked a couple of logos that we can use for our testing. This is what it's going to look like. You're going to see your account and your credits up there. You're going to come down here and you can see all the different stuff on the left. So very easy. Like once you get in here, literally everything's just on the left-hand side. What kind of mockup do you need over here? You're going to spend all your time right here. We'll try to do a test of the video mockups, 3D mockups, and then a couple of those, and we'll kind of call it a day. Don't want to spend too much time. We've got mockups over here. You can also go right here and go to apparel, t-shirt, all that stuff right here. So you have the quick stuff right there, but you can come over here. That's what most people are probably using this for, e-commerce and everything. So apparel seemed like it was like already, the drop down was already there, right? But you can actually just use it from the left side if you like. You can go into baby apparel right here, or you can do that from over here as well. So they kind of give you, if you like, going up to the top and doing that, or the bottom. So there's two ways to kind of get, or you could even search right over here as well. We have our tools over here, AI tools, AI photo shoot, a background remover. They've got all the upscaler, resizer, and then you have an image converter, and then you have an image editing right here. So sticker maker and image resizer is coming soon. So pretty cool. Let's go just jump in, and let's just say we want to do apparel. Let's just say we want to make a basic t-shirt real quick. We've got our mock-up design. And so what I'm going to do is, this is the design AI preview, right? So what I'm going to do, the cool part is you could just go, I'll show you how to use it basically, right? So you could come in here and let's just say we have this shirt over here. So we grab this, we click on it, we open up a mock-up that we like, right? And so right here, we're going to need to go and upload our, that's where you download. You can also bookmark this if you like it. It'll end up showing up in your bookmarks over here. You can just click on that and all your favorites or bookmarks will be right there, which is cool. Now I'm seeing, okay, so we're going to click right here. No, that's not what happens. Okay, so where do we add our mockup? Here's where we upload. Okay, so there's your download. Here's our upload. We're going to click on that real quick. We'll go over here to the, this one right here. and see what that's going to look like right here. So that's what that would look like right there. Then you can also come over here and start messing around with this. You can make it bigger, right? We can go like this and make that bigger like that. You can also use these right here to kind of curve it. So if you wanted it to kind of be at an angle, that's pretty dang cool. And so forth. So we're going to go like that. Now I would like it to, okay, so it kind of locks in right there. So that looks really cool. Then what you would do is you could just go over here and download. You can download the JPEG or the PNG or the size right there. So PNG, and then boom, let's just say you need that size right there. They've got 3 sizes right there. We'll go and open that up. And you've got your mock-up right there that you can use on your website or whatever. So that is like super easy, like, you know, no training videos, no tutorials. This is going to be the easiest thing that you've ever used, right? Animate this mock-up. Let's go and take a look at what this would look like if we wanted to go and now get rid of that design, upload, and then let's go and upload the other one, which is, I believe, this one right here, or is it the blue one? Can't remember. Yeah, okay, so there we go. So you can actually use that one right there as well. And then you have this wrap, this warping right here. And notice what happens right here. Let's see if I can kind of zoom in. But notice what happens when we use the warping, right? It's going to kind of, depending on what mockup you have, it's going to kind of, you know, make it look like, see, there's that crease right there. So you can actually kind of fine tune. So it really, really stands out and it looks like, looks very, very like organic or natural. Right here, I'm kind of moving this over. It would be nice to, if it would like center and find the exact center. But look, you can move this over and it just looks very, very 3D realistic right there. I'm going to zoom back out now. Now you can also go and change the color of the shirt. So it's going to really pop. Look at that. So that looks really cool. Obviously it's going to look good on almost every color, but the purple. So you're going to go like that. So then you can go and again, you can go and download. Now what you can do over here is we can go and animate this mockup. How do we do this? And I was going to tell you, it's going to take 10 credits. So we could go and animate this and you can do a change background. So they've got all these tools right here we can shift through. But what I'm going to do is just, let's just say click animate there, animate this mockup. I don't know what we would type in right here. It's letting us type in, but it's animate this mockup, and I'm just going to say go. So we'll spend 10 credits. We'll go and animate this mockup and see what that looks like. You can also get to video mockups right over here as well. And it's literally like done. It's processing that, and it'll show up over here onto the side under generations. And while that's doing that, you have an edit. So we're in the edit feature, but then you also have an AI photo shoot, an AI animate, and your library right here. So I really like how simplistic it is so far. Like they're not overwhelming you at any point. There is stuff you can do along the way, but like edit, there's not a whole lot, and there's not a whole lot of editing that you need to do. What is this right over here? There's a placeholder. There's also edit. Yeah, when you click that edit right there, or that's your preview button right there. So you want to lock it in, or if you click it, then it'll change to the edit feature as well. I like that there's, you know, there's what you need right here, but there is also, it's not overwhelming. What is this place everywhere? I don't know what that is, but that's a button right there. So yeah, you have all these other options over here. It's creating that. We'll be right back. Okay, so it's done. And that literally took about 60 seconds. Ready to view, click view. So let's just click on it. So this is what it's going to look like. So this is what it's going to look like. There's no sound, but this is literally animated. Look at this. This is nuts. Let's try that again. This is what it looks like. That is pretty sick. And you can just go and download this, right? And so, yeah, this is pretty sick. You can't just do this in large language models without having proprietary software built over this. I mean, you can go and try to use Gemini's videos or something like that, but you're not going to get like this kind of setup where you can put a logo on a shirt, change the colors, do all these things right? This is what amplifies and makes software good, is what you're able to do with AI. You would need a tool like this in order to get really good high quality mockups and video mockups and so forth, instead of just fooling around all day with prompting and so forth in large language model. That's my opinion. All right, so those are generations. We can go click off of that as well. Let's go and just take a look at AI photo shoot. While we're still in here, we could change this up. You could go at this right here. Let's go find some more brighter colors right here. Generate we're going to go ahead, let's just generate this. And does this apply to this person over here? And this is just kind of the scene, vibrant purple studio background, professional setup. Okay, cool. Generation processed. Processing typically takes 1 to 2 minutes. So it's generating. We'll be right back. All right. So we did get a drop down. It said generation was processed, but I'm not seeing the actual results. Okay. So that's what you do, I guess. AI photo shoot right here. Okay. It'll end like this and you really kind of don't know what to do. I'm scrolling down with my mouse. There's nothing going on, but then you have to click up here into the cards right here. So that's one thing that I had to figure out. It doesn't really tell you where to find your stuff, but it looks like all your generations along the way are going to be up here in this card section. So I actually ran that twice. So I'm going to go click on this right here, the AI photo shoot. This is what the AI photo shoot looks like. So it's different poses, kind of looks the same. It did the purple background. Oh, okay. So it did one for the basic, and then one when we made the logo bigger, right there. So you could download that. That's your AI photo shoot right there. That's pretty cool. I wanted to show you a couple more on the AI photo shoot. We'll go back, but look at this neon. So you could really make your stuff pop. Let's just do one real quick. A blue right there. And then let's go in and let's change this back. So let's go back here, and you also can prompt this right here as well. So they really do give you a lot of options. I'm going to go back up to edit. So the more you spend in the tool, the more you'll start understanding it. Kind of treat it like Canva, if you will, with less options, which is actually a good thing. Just very powerful mockup. Everything, it's like Canva on steroids for mockup generation, if I had to explain or describe what this is. Very easy to use, very clean UI. So far, just super impressive on speed and so forth. I'm going to go back and upload that other design right here, the one you probably would use without the, maybe like that. And then maybe we want to go with, let's just say we want to go with a white t-shirt. So we're going to go like that. So then it really like looks good. And then we'll make this probably bigger and we'll move that like that. And again, remember you have that warping, but we'll just keep it on right there like that. And then what I want to do is go back to the AI photo shoot. And they also have this, the like platform. So if you have, a product in a box, nature, you can go put yourself out in nature right here, which is super cool. That's really cool. But let's just do this neon one with like a blue, and we'll click that one. And again, you can really customize it by typing in a prompt right there. But we're just going to go with this. And I'm just going to keep talking. The generation is processed. It's literally done that fast right here. Generation is processed. So you'll see right over here. Okay, so we can see it right here. And it's done. So that was about maybe 15, 20 seconds at most. We click on this and there is your new AI mockup right there. It only did one for us, but that is pretty dang cool right there. It didn't do, with that blue neon surrounding the person. It did this background right there, blue light neon background, but still cool. You'll probably have to mess around with the prompting to get it just right. But certainly all you do is just push download. So really cool. Then let's actually go and download. Does that person's head, is it cut off in the final? I forgot. Come over here, boom. Yeah. So it is like that, where it only shows half of their face. The main part that you're trying to show is the shirt right there, but you'll have to find some different mockups. We'll close out of this and we'll go back to home. And if you want to show people's face right here, like you just go right here, you could have this right here, t-shirt, and it's going to show the front, the back, and the full person's face. You can come right over here, like this right over here. We could go like this, and yeah, so that's the one that we selected. That's what you're seeing. What you see is what you get, right? That person, it's not about the eyes or the face, but all these other ones, like this really cool hoodie, depending on what you're looking at, you can go like this right here. And actually, let's go back. What was that? So we uploaded a design, and when you upload a design, it's going to show it on everybody's, like what it's going to look like on all of these mockups. Look at this. On most of these, some of them it doesn't on the video. I think you have to generate video, but look at all the shirts right there. It's already showing up on all these shirts. That is super, super sick. So you can see what it's going to look like. And then all you have to do is just kind of go mockup shopping, if you will. You can come over here, you can say close up, and it's going to pull more close up related. Right here, if you're looking for just like man, you'll click on man right here, and it's going to show just men. And if you want the video mockup, you'll have to click on that, and you'll have to, but this is like this AI preview section, which is super impressive. You can see what it's going to look like on all of your, now I would have to do download in Canva and do a transparent. I didn't do the transparent background, so obviously that was you definitely want to do a transparent background. That way you wouldn't be seeing the square right there, the square box. Obviously don't do that. not a big deal for just demoing purposes right here. So that's apparel. I mean, you've got all this stuff right over here. We can go with a mug. Let's just do a mug real quick. This is what it would look like on a mug. Look at this, super cool. Click on that and you've got, you can make it as big as you want or whatever. Boom, done. Again, use a transparent. I mean, that's pretty much like it, right? Let's do a video. You can just see all the different mockups right here. I don't know if there's something else. Accessories. Look at this cap, tote bag. We can go with a tote bag right there. We can go with cap. So all these different caps. And again, you can filter by over here. This is a very, very, very developed tool. I'm extremely impressed with this. I don't know. There's jewelry right here, ring, necklace, bracelet. Let's go with necklace right here. And you'll be able to see the necklace right there. Print business cards. I'll let you guys see what it'll look like with business cards right there. This one, I'm not sure if it's not giving us the it's not putting our logo on these business cards for some reason, but these are the business cards you'd go and let's just click on one. Let's just say we like this one right here. You'll probably come in here and they probably have, okay, so when you click on it, then there you go. You have the business card right there. Again, it's just a mock-up. It's not like you're not creating your business card, but for whatever reason, the mock-ups aren't showing on this page, but when you click on one, it does work. Billboard right here for marketing purposes. Again, you would just click on the one you like, and then it's going to automatically fill in until you change this out. It's going to fill in with what you're looking for. So this is just super impressive, guys. Tech. Let's go with an iPhone real quick. And you got all these right here. That is super cool right there. Look at this. Very futuristic, very high quality, very techy right there. You could use this if you're a video marketer, all kinds of stuff. Running ads. You could use this for ad creation. Let's go to video mockups real quick. And these are the video mockups, obviously. So we'll go right here and just click on this, and it should bring in our logo real quick for us. And there's our logo right there. And then you will just generate the video. It's a 5-second video. And you can see that it is rendering the video right now. Okay, so the video is ready. It did take a lot longer to generate the video. I would say it took probably, I don't know, you can look up here. I didn't check the time, but it took it seemed like 2 or 3 minutes to generate the video. Still not bad. Gotta go through here, take a look at the video. And there's the video, little kid with the logo on the shirt, again, transparent, but that is pretty dang sick. Okay, so that is the video mockup, 3D mockups right over here. Boom, let's just go and grab something that stands out. That's kind of cool. Let's go with this one for now. Just something that's really kind of standing out to me. This will load up for us. Everything is pretty dang fast. And look at the 3D mockup right here. This is really cool. We have to upload our image. So let's go and add an image, and we'll go with this one right here with the box. So at least it's on purpose that it's not, not transparent. Now this is where you're going to go and move this around like that. There you go. So that's what you're actually going to do right there, is kind of fit it around where you want it to be. On the shirt right there. That's what it would actually look like. Pretty cool. Add images. You got your editor right over here, and that's what it'll end up looking like right there. So you can go and really mess around with exactly what you want it to look like. Change the shirt color right there. Obviously, pretty dang cool. All right, let's go back there. There was other settings over there, motion and all kinds of stuff you could do. You have your collections, so you can actually go with a collection. So contrast collection. So you would just click on that right there, and it's going to give you an entire kind of series that you could go put your logo on and kind of run a marketing campaign or something like that, with all the backgrounds are all the same. So they've already done all the heavy lifting for you. All you got to do is just go in and create your logo for each one of these, and you'd be done. So this is Mockey AI. Again, starts at $99. This is front loaded with credits. And then once your credits are, you'll have to continue to add to your account. I mean, this is even the way that like Warrior Plus and JVZoo products, this is the way everybody's kind of doing this nowadays. We're going to have to get used to this. It's a credit type of thing. If we don't do the credit system, then this company will just continue to have to pay out of their pocket, and it's not a good thing for anybody, right? So I am a fan of these new deals where it's a front-loaded credit system. It's a lifetime deal on a one-time purchase of of credits. So just pick the plan that's right for you. If you want to use this tool to a tool as extend for a very long time, then you just upgrade your tier to what you're comfortable with. Overall, this was ridiculously impressive. I just cannot see a flaw when it comes to doing exactly what you need this product to do. That it was fast, it was extremely impressive, and you felt like you were it was very high quality. This is going to have to be a 5-star. Don't see anything wrong with the software from a MVP standpoint. It's simple like Canva to use, but it's also extremely powerful. I was very, very impressed with this software. The link will be below if you want to go pick this up on AppSumo. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.